This video will guide you how to set up an account in Song Nhi App. Go to Account Settings. Click this icon in the top left corner to access your account information. From here, you can update your avatar, email address, change your password, and manage your account details. You can also view your total coin balance. Notifications: set daily reminders to add transactions and turn on tutorial update notifications to receive tips, tricks, and the latest feature updates from Song Nhi. Language: easily switch between supported languages currently available in English and Vietnamese. Tell friends, rate our app, rate us 5 stars, and share your referral link to invite friends to join the journey toward financial freedom. Plus, earn free months of Song Nhi by referring friends. Help and feedback: reach out to the Song Nhi team via email for tutorials, to report bugs or issues, or to suggest new features. Your feedback helps us improve and create the best version of Song Nhi. Wipe account: permanently delete all your data from our server. Please note, this action is irreversible, so proceed with caution. Profile currency settings: your profile types are located next to the icon at the top of the left bar. From here, you can manage your profiles, add new ones, delete existing ones, or update the currency for each profile. You can use coins to activate or deactivate profiles as needed. Note: at least one profile must remain active. You cannot delete all profiles. Search bar: pin page: use the search bar on the main screen to quickly find pin pages that highlight your most important transactions. You can view your pinned items in either list or table view for better organization and priority management. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.